Today, I am reviewing the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Starting with the sound quality, the HT-S60 offers cinematic 5.1 channel surround sound with 3 front-firing speakers, 2 rear wireless speakers, and a powerful wireless subwoofer. This setup ensures you get rich, immersive audio that fills the entire room, creating a realistic, enveloping atmosphere. Whether it's the subtle rustle of leaves in a movie or deep, thunderous explosions, the audio is vibrant and full-body. One of the standout features is the support for Dolby Atmos and DTS technologies. These are the industry-leading audio formats used in many theaters, offering multidimensional sound that moves around you in 3-dimensional space. This means you don't just hear the sound. You feel it coming from above, behind, and all around, adding depth and realism to every scene or song. Dialogue clarity is another strong point here. Sony includes a dedicated center channel speaker to make sure every word is crystal clear. This is especially important during action-packed or dialogue-heavy scenes where it's easy to miss what characters are saying. With this system, you won't have to strain to hear your favorite movies or TV shows. The multi-stereo feature enhances your listening experience by playing the same sound through all the speakers simultaneously. This creates a room-filling sound boost, ensuring that no matter where you sit, the audio envelopes you fully and evenly. It's perfect for larger rooms or gatherings when you want everyone to enjoy the same high-quality sound. For those who want a compatible Sony BRAVIA TV, this system offers seamless integration. You can control the soundbar directly from your TV menu, making setup and adjustments effortless. Additionally, it supports Voice Zoom 3, a handy feature that enhances dialogue and makes voices easier to hear, even at lower volumes. The system also comes with a BRAVIA Connect app, which allows you to control your home theater settings from your smartphone. You can easily adjust the volume, switch sound profiles, or tweak advanced audio settings, putting control right at your fingertips without needing to hunt for the remote. When it comes to music, the HT-S60 doesn't disappoint either. Thanks to wireless Bluetooth streaming, you can easily play your favorite songs directly from your phone or other devices. Plus, Sony's sound technology upmixes the audio to restore acoustic details, providing a richer and more dynamic listening experience. Installation is straightforward, with wireless connectivity for the subwoofer and rear speakers, minimizing cable clutter. This not only keeps your setup clean and tidy, but also gives you flexibility in speaker placement to optimize sound. In summary, the Sony BRAVIA Theater System 6 HT-S60 is a fantastic choice if you want a powerful, immersive home audio experience without the hassle of complicated wiring. With support for Dolby Atmos and DTS, clear dialogue, easy integration with Sony TVs, and wireless music streaming, it covers all the bases for movies, music, and gaming. If you're ready to transform your living room into a cinematic soundstage and enjoy rich, room-filling audio, the Sony HT-S60 system offers excellent value and quality backed by Sony's trusted reputation.